India's number 3 company. I am welcoming you all. Let us see our company.
Heights of success. The group diversified into tractor manufacturing in 1995. The result was a masterpiece that transformed the way people across the globe do their farming. With the beginning of the 21st century, India's heart of gold collapsed.
We have new products launched recently, that is Garden Track 26 HP, Garden Track 30 HP and RX 750 DI tractor, which we have displayed at for your display. With these new products and the kind of network we have, and we are planning to expand, increase in southern market and Tamil Nadu exclusively, we are confident we are going to achieve 10% market share in the forthcoming financial year.
I say some top points discuss with you regarding past history in ITL. So already Swamiji discussed in this. Today ITL is third largest company in India in a very short span. Why we say how achieve this third position? Because of farmer support or our business partner support is a big way to Sonalika. Result is we achieve within a very short span number third position in India. We share this is the fastest growing company. Why we say we is a fast growing company? No doubt, first I directly agree that in southern market, this is not a good position in our southern market. Our base is approximate more than 50,000 tractor in southern market. Like in Tamil Nadu, more than approximate 12,000 customer in Tamil Nadu. But that 12,000 customer, based on their experience, based on their commitment, based on that need, today we are surely saying we will target minimum 10% market share. This is the minimum. I say this is the minimum. Maximum is different, that is the result. But minimum target is 10%. This is the based on strength of our organization, strength of our product, or strength of our rich experience of Tamil Nadu farmer.